Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the YouTube Music desktop application on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Let's get straight into it. First, open your browser. I recommend using Google Chrome for this. Once it's open, head over to youtube.com. On the YouTube homepage, look to the far left side and scroll down until you find YouTube Music. Go ahead and click on it to open the YouTube Music page. Now, take a look at the address bar at the top. On the right-hand side, you'll notice two small icons, one for bookmarks and another one that says Install YouTube Music. Click on Install YouTube Music and a pop-up will appear on your screen. Select Install, and just like that, the YouTube Music desktop app will be installed on your Windows computer. Pretty cool, right? As you can see, the app launches immediately after installation. Let's close it and check something real quick. Notice the YouTube Music icon now appears right on your desktop. Perfect. From here, you can easily open it whenever you want. You can also search for YouTube Music in the Start menu to launch it. To make it even easier to access, right-click on the YouTube Music app and choose Pin to Taskbar. That way, it stays right on your taskbar for quick access. You can also right-click again and choose Pin to Start. Now, when you click the Windows icon, you'll see YouTube Music right there among your pinned apps. Super convenient. And that's it. That's how easy it is to install the YouTube Music desktop application on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another tutorial you'd like me to make next. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more helpful tech tutorials every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.